Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about a mind-blowing feature of Pieces, which is an AI-powered developer productivity tool which has many features to boost your workflow, but I believe that this particular feature known as live context is the next generation of context-based AIs. So I'm telling you about this thing, and Pieces is currently free, so you can try it out yourself until they come up with a paid plan. A context based AI is basically providing the AI with a context as input with respect to which it gives the outputs. So the live context is basically providing the input of what's focused on your screen as context to the AI so that you get a contextualized conversation of what you are currently working on. So I've got Pieces fired up here. You need to install the Pieces OS and then the Pieces desktop app. Then you have to click on this profile picture of yours and then click on all settings. Then you have to go to machine learning and then go to workstream pattern engine and then turn it on. So after you turn the workstream pattern engine on, you have to create a new chat and click on live context. So live context will be turned on. Now I'm going to show you some example use case. So I have this Express.js routing article fired up here, which I'm going to take a skim through. And then I'll also open up my code where I have an index.js where I have this express code and I have this index.html where I have an example navbar, and if we go to the local host we'll see this example navbar here, but none of the links actually work because I didn't do any routing here. So I'll go to Pieces AI. I'll take a skim through the code as well. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead, turn on live context here, and you're going to be typing here that based on the article I currently read, fix the routing in my code and make all the index.html links work. And so I hope this should do the work. So as you can see, the AI has given me the routing code for the routes I had entered in my index.html, that is home, about, and contact. As you can see, I have home, about, and contact here. So that worked pretty fine. Let's try something else. Let me open up Tailwind CSS docs. Let me just fire up the Tailwind CSS documentation here, and then let me just go to the responsive design part here, and then let me skim through this responsive design article. Now I'm going to be going online and typing example scenery image, and then I'm going to be taking a random image from here like this one, and then copy image or the image address, and then I'll go to my code, and then I'll be adding a img there, and then that'll be my src, and then alt will be scenery. I'll be adding that to my navbar only, so it'll be kind of my logo. So now I'm going to be going to Pieces, and then based on the Tailwind article I read on responsive design, or based on the article I recently read, fix the design in my index.html code with Tailwind CSS, or I'll be just entering that to see what the AI has taken from the live context input and not provide an actual input such as use Tailwind CSS to the AI. So as you can see, it knows that I'm asking it to use Tailwind CSS because it has taken that input from the live context, so it has updated it with Tailwind CSS. Live context feature, as you can see, is pretty powerful, and it can boost your workflow to certain levels where you don't have to worry about providing all the input to the AI, and then it'll also help you to speed your development process. So I believe with the live context you can take large documentations and take a skim through them, and then Pieces will summarize it for you, and you can apply what is there in the documentation in your actual code without spending hours reading the documentation. So thanks for watching this video. I suggest that you go ahead and install Pieces right now and try out these powerful features. I'll be meeting you again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.